Myself, Harit Kumar Rawal from Devi India College of Pharmacy, Indore. In this video, I am giving my feedback of MSBT approved for week online FDP tools for online teaching learning process. The overall feedback include first week effective teaching learning practices, second one creation of online resources, third one Moodle as a learning management system, fourth one digital and advanced pedagogy. This FDP includes tools for online teaching learning process approved by MSBTE and organized by Department of Pharmacy, Government Polytechnic College, Jalgaon. In the week, first effective teaching learning practices I have gained from this week various pedagogical challenges of 21st century in the education. Then Bloom taxonomy, and active learning strategy in the classroom teaching as per the requirement, and they evaluate teaching practices, use of various tools of the PowerPoint. After that, implementation of the knowledge which was gained in the first week, design of PowerPoint presentation, adopt new learning and teaching styles, planning of teaching resources as per student learning style, self-evaluation as per student requirement of learning process and implementation of it. In the task 1, creation of PowerPoint of any one of the topic of your subject. In that one, I prepared one PowerPoint presentation. This one is the PowerPoint that I prepared for the task 1. I follow all the instructions of the FDP organizer, grid lines such as 6x6 rule. After that, in the next week, creation of online resources I have gained in this week. First one, design learning resources including components of online teaching. Second one, importance of reflection sport in the PowerPoint slide, PowerPoint presentation, learning by doing activity in the learning dialogue. Third one, learned about different video resources such as screencast-o-matic to the preparation of the video to screencast the PowerPoint. Creation of one WordPress website and customization and modification of its contents as per the discussion and modification of the content, implementation of the knowledge gained in the week. Second, use of online resources for the online teaching, effectiveness of the PowerPoint, use of reflection sport to create interest of the student or learners, how to convert presentation into video by using software such as Screencast-O-Matic, Studio Subscribe or others, creation and modification of our website as per requirement. In the task 2 of the second week, creation of online resources, the task given creation of video resources. In the task 2, I create this video as per rubrics. In the second week, we learned about the online teaching, creation of video using PowerPoint such as this one, and creation of animated video. After that, in the third week, Moodles as learning management system I have gained from this week, how to choose learning management system based on their requirements. Creation of our Genomio Moodle courses and Google Classroom for different subjects. Enroll the student in your classroom or Genomio Moodle courses. Addition of various activities, resources such as assignments, activity, others. Award the certificate to the learners in the course. Implementation of the gain knowledge in the week. Third, usage of online resources such as CMS and LMS for the online teaching, creation of Google Classroom and enroll the students. After that, add various activity in the Google Classroom, add topic, give assignment to the student, organize quiz in the Google Classroom and take their feedback. Creation of Google Form quiz, award the certificate to the participant by using add-ons such as CertifyM. The CertifyM is automatically generate the certificate to the participant. In the task 3rd, creation of Google Classroom. This one is the classroom. That is the code of the classroom. In that one, I invited a teacher and a student for the participation for the enrollment. In the classwork, I posted here huge assignment and the 8 topics and the information and 8 books, huge for the student. So in the topic, I add assignments with due dates. After that, in the fourth week, digital and advanced pedagogy I have gained from this week, creation of learning resources using various online free software tools, creation and use digital student response system like Mentimeter, Plickers, and Kahoot, creation and use online platform for discussion quizzes and conducting webinars, implementation of modern pedagogical technique in the online teachings, implementation of the gain knowledge in the week fourth, creation of e-learning resources by using various software tools that learned in the FDP, organize the online quiz by using test mode and my quiz website. After that, for the feedback of the student regarding conducted quiz on the platform test mode and my quiz website, create that feedback form. After that, in the 4 week digital advanced pedagogy task, design any activity of advanced pedagogy and implementation in the Google Classroom. For this, I used test mode quiz and my quiz application software for the conduction of the quiz, and feedback was taken by using Google Form. This one test mode. Here is the list of the participants. There are different questions that are attempted by the participants. Here is the feedback form of test mode quiz. After that feedback, what experience I gained in this FDP. This one is the best FDP during this pandemic situation. Organizing team explain each and every topics nicely. Best selection about the content, ICT tools for the FDP as well as activity of the for the participants. Interaction with the all participants to solve any query around the clock by using Telegram app. Planning and evaluation of tasks after the completion of the week. In the last, I express my thanks with this assurance to organizing team, Government Polytechnic Jalgaon and MSBTE that I will use all online tools learned during the tenure of this FDP. Thank you once again.